Hey reporters, this is part 2 on how to use iMovie in Power Director. Just as before, I will be switching in between the two apps. Although they have similar features, the interface is different. The objective for this video, by the end of class, students will be able to add cutaways and a montage to their video project with 80% proficiency. You will learn key terms like montage, transition, Kinsburn's effect, cutaways, picture-in-picture, and split screen. Alright, starting off with iMovie, I'm going to show you how to introduce your video to your audience, and that is using a technique called a montage. A montage is a film editing technique in which a series of short shots are sequenced to condense space, time, and information. Like I said, this is a way to help the audience introduce or let them know what your video is going to be about. You can use this with a mix of photos and videos. For this demonstration, I'm going to use a few photos from AwesomeCon. Trust me, you're going to end up adding a lot because usually with the montage, we have a voiceover, which I'll be demonstrating in the next video. After you have added your photos and or videos to your photo montage, as you notice in iMovie, it automatically adds a certain effect to your photos. And that's called the Kinsburn's effect, named after a famous documentary filmmaker. It's a type of effect where you can pan and zoom in on your photos so it doesn't remain still or stagnant. In your viewer, in the lower right hand corner, you will see where you can enable and disable the Kinsburn effect, as well as pinch and zoom where you want your panning to start and end. You can preview your changes like so. If you feel like it's moving too slowly, you can trim your clip and monitor the time code in upper center of your viewer. Now on to transitions. Transitions are effects that we use to move from one shot to the next. You would simply select that where it's highlighted in between each photo or video clip, and in the bottom will pop up your choices. See how the one photo dissolves to the next. Here's what it would look like in Power Director. You would notice that you have a little bit more options, and be aware to make sure that you select the free ones and not the ones you have to pay for. Another type of transition is a cutaway. This is where you will put either a photo or a video above your main video, and it would immediately cut to that next scene with the audio still playing along. Instead of hitting the plus sign, you would hit the 3 dots on whatever photo or video clip that you want to use and select the cutaway option. Please be mindful of what you select as your cutaway. You want to make sure that it matches what the person is talking about. Now, you can change your cutaway options through overlays, as you can see here in the bottom. You could change it to picture-to-picture or split screen, whichever is most fitting. Let's talk about picture-in-picture. With this option, you'll have the ability to see your original video clip and your additional photo or video. In the upper right hand corner, you'll have the option to reposition and resize your photo or video. If you're not a fan of picture-in-picture, then try split screen. Split screen allows you to see both your original video and the additional photo/video on both halves of the screen. You have the option of having it appear vertically or horizontally. In the upper right hand corner of your viewer, you could customize it. I personally prefer Cutaways. Now in Power Director, you would go to the Layers button, as you can see here, and then go to your gallery. Then drag your video underneath your main video, as you can see here. In Power Director, everything is done manually, so you can either have a picture-in-picture, split screen, or cutaway. It's just a matter of dragging and expanding your box, as you can see in this demonstration. Please note, if you are using video as a cutaway, split screen, or picture-in-picture, please make sure that you mute the clip. Once you have selected, go to the volume option and simply hit mute. In iMovie, the cutaway video is already muted. Well, that's it for today. Check your Google Classroom for your exit ticket. Stay tuned for part 3.